Why is car insurance in America becoming unaffordable? Many drivers are paying 30% to 100% more for the same car. Today, I'll expose the real reason behind the car insurance crisis in the USA. Across the United States, car insurance rates are exploding. In states like Florida, California, and New York, premiums have reached record highs. Some drivers are now paying more for insurance than their car loan. Modern cars are loaded with sensors, cameras, and software. A small accident today can cost thousands of dollars to fix. Insurance companies pay these bills and pass the cost to you. Every accident includes medical bills. In the US, healthcare is insanely expensive. One minor injury claim can cost insurers tens of thousands. Fake injury claims, staged accidents, and lawsuits are rising. Insurance companies lose billions every year and raise premiums to recover losses. Hurricanes, floods, and wildfires damage millions of cars. States with frequent disasters pay the highest insurance rates. Insurance is pooled risk. Even safe drivers pay more because everyone shares the cost. Smart drivers reduce insurance by 1. Shopping rates every 6 months, 2. Raising deductibles, 3. Using safe driving apps, 4. Avoiding luxury repairs. Car insurance is no longer protection, it's a financial burden. Understanding the system is the only way to survive.